Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your Verizon update error code 405. So here's a guide for your storage and network if your download fails. Which one? Check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to the internet. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Open a website or run a speed test to confirm your connection is working. Fix 2. Restart your device. Turn off your phone or tablet, wait for 30 seconds and turn it back on and try the update again. Fix 3. Clear the app cache. If the error occurs in the My Verizon app, open settings, go to apps and select My Verizon. Tap on storage, select clear cache. Reopen the app and try updating again. Fix 4. Update the My Verizon app. On Android, open the Google Play Store, search for My Verizon and tap on Update if available. For iPhone, open the App Store, find My Verizon and install any available update. Fix 5. Check available storage. Delete unused apps, photos or files. Ensure you have enough free space before trying the update again. Fix 6. Reinstall the My Verizon app. Uninstall the My Verizon app and restart your device. Download the latest version from the Google Play Store or App Store and sign in and try to update the again. Fix 7. Check for Verizon service issues. Sometimes the problem is caused by a temporary Verizon outage or server maintenance. Wait for a while and try the update again later. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.